Hi Yash,
Hi,
what is this?
this is my new toy. Its name is Slime Dish.
Okay, can you tell me about it?
Okay, first we will open it.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Wow!
Color is red, yellow, and blue. What is the shape? Anyone knows the shape? Oh no, I need to tell. It is circle. Let's learn more circle things. These also have a circle shape. Block also have a circle shape. Donut also have a circle shape. I have things which have circle shape. What is this? It is carom. What is this? It is coin in circle shape. What is this? It is remote control. It is also in circle shape. What is this? It is a teacup. It is also in circle shape.
Wow!
What is this? It is mirror. It is also circle shape. And last one, what is this? It is spheres. It is also circle shape. I hope you understand the circle shape. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And the next time is me, Yash. Bye bye. We'll meet in the next video.